boss. That's Jamie from Tate Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Jamie?
Today we're making a drink called the Gin and It.
Okay.
Gin and It. Yeah, so it's a variation of the drink we made last week, the Negroni. The substitute that you're going to do is substituting some bitters for the Campari. That's basically the difference. And a little bit more gin and a little bit more
sweet vermouth.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to go with two shots of gin. We're going to put this in a shaker.
Okay.
So the reason why it's called a gin and it is because it's using sweet vermouth. So sweet vermouth is typically would be from Italy, and a dry vermouth would typically be from France. And so the gin and it gives it its Italian sort of homage. So we're going to go 2 ounces as well of the sweet vermouth. Okay, and then a dash.
There's just a little dash.
1 dash of the bitters.
Okay.
All right.
You're shaking your head.
Nice. We're gonna pour this into like a old-fashioned glass, but
okay.
This drink was well, records of it go back to about 1890, and at one time it was called a sweet martini, and of course because it's got the gin and the vermouth, similar to a martini, and of course the sweet part comes from the rosé. All right, let's give the gin and it a shot. I actually like that better. Well, I like it better than the Negroni that we made last week. Yeah. I don't know that maybe we didn't make that properly last week.
Right either, but
because lots of people have commented that the Negroni is a good drink. So I like this one though.
This is good. I like this too.
Cheers, everyone.
Yeah, give it a try.
Gin and it.
Cheers.